Alright, so this is where the air comes in. The 8900 connects to the filter regulator unit. First thing in line is a shutoff lockout valve. When you turn this off, it not only blocks the incoming air, but what you just heard is the air coming out of the machine, so there is no air in the machine. And we can put a lock in this to lock it out, so then we can turn it on while we're working on it. The next unit up is a particulate filter and a water trap. To remove the bowl, you simply pull down on the thumb lever like that and rotate the bowl partially. So, it's a filter unit that screws off, can be replaced. Turn the unit, put it back in, rotate it around until it latches. The next unit is called a Coalescing Filter. It also filters out any oil that's in the system. The bowl comes off the same way. There's another filter in there that screws off. The next unit up is a regulator. The regulator should be set at 90 psi. This is the adjustment knob here. The last unit in line is a quick exhaust valve or soft start valve. When you turn off the electricity up front, turn off the power, it dumps all the air out of the machine so there's no air pressure, and then turns it back on again when you turn the e-stop on. The oil bottle in the back is the air over oil bottle for the lift for the bit for the deep pocket. So as the bit comes up, the oil level will drop, and when the bit goes down, the oil level comes back up again. The oil level, when it's at its highest, should not be above the baffle plate at the top, and when it goes all the way down, it should not disappear past the bottom of the oil reservoir. If it does disappear, then it's sucking air and you need to put more oil in it. The oil can be filled right through this port right here, but of course you must turn off the air before you do that. So these are the air valves that operate the cylinders on the machine. When the valve is activated, the little red light on the top is up, indicating that there is power coming to the valve. When the valve is not lit up, you can manually activate it by pushing the little blue button underneath, like this, with something small. And push that in, that will manually activate the valve. So this is the main disconnect switch coupled with the door of the machine. The main power comes in here, 3-phase and single phase. Then there are circuit breakers. There's a primary circuit breaker and secondary circuit breakers down here. Fuses are in the black holders on this side. This is the e-stop relay. This is the computer. The lights on the computer, there should always be a power and a run light when you're in the run mode. The lights on the top are input lights. The lights on the bottom are output lights. One's for the pocket motor. The other one's for the vacuum start. One of them is for the router start. The other one runs the oscillating motor as the bit comes up.